Okay, now that we've taken the ribs and the seeds out of the pepper, we're going to dice it. I'm putting green pepper in here, but if you like red to add more color, or yellow or orange, that's fine as well. Dump that and put that right in over the top. All right, the final part to our salsa is we're going to take water and sugar. So we're going to take about a 1/4 cup of water, and then we're going to mix that with 2 tablespoons of sugar. I'm going to stir that up till it dissolves. And then we're going to pour that over this salsa. We're going to mix it, and then we're going to chill it.